Hey guys, Bing here. Today I'm going to show you how to follow this column. So that's a timber column with a metal base. Okay, so let's start. So create a new family structural column. Okay, so first I'm just going to make the depth equals width. Oops. Plot. Okay, so I'll change this to something like 150 for now. Okay, so now let's have a look in for elevation. So this is the top of the column and this is the base. So I'm going to create some reference plans. So let's have a look at this image. So we will need reference plan for the thickness of the plate, and then reference plan for the bottom of this column, the timber. So okay, so so this will be the thickness of the plate. I'll just create a thickness and okay, so and then another one, reference plan. So this will be the, let's call it I'll just call it, create a parameter. I call it h1. So this will be the from the plate to the lower part of this what's that called, fitting. Okay, so h1 and then another one h2. So this will be I'll just change the scale a little bit. So yeah, so this will be h1, this will be h2. Okay, so the plate, then the leg, and then the thing, the U shape, and also another one for the thickness as well. Okay, so I'll just do another one, give the thickness to it. So now we have these reference plans. So I'm going to go to a floor plan. So now let me create an extrusion. So this is for the timber part. Okay, so lock everything onto the reference plane, go to elevation, and then drag this up to the top, and the lock. And this one go up to here, this one, and the lock. Oops, lock. Okay, delete. So now the timber part, I'm going to give it a parameter, a material parameter. I'll just use this one, structural material, and go back to front. Okay, front view. So now we need to do this shape, and of course I need another two reference plane on these two sides, and assign a thickness parameter to it. So so now this shape will be, can you see this shape? So let's do a create extrusion and pick reference plan with a lock. I'll just pick all these reference plans and trim. And we need another one here, trim. So and okay, so go back to floor plan. So and then drag this lock and this one up and the lock. So now we have this shape, and then go back to floor plan. We will need another 4 reference plan for the leg. Okay, so I'll do this equal, and this one equal. Change the scale a little bit. So, okay, so and then sorry, this one, and so these two will be the width of the leg, or the little thing. Okay, so I'll call it maybe width. I'll just call it width 2. Okay, so now to extrusion, rectangle, lock, and go to front view, finish, and then drag this up to this reference plane and lock. This one I'll just stop here and lock. And then we need the last one. The last one will be the same size of the. I'll just IC it. So IC isolate category. Also only show the reference plane. So let me just create another extrusion from these reference planes. So, and then lock and go to front view. Okay, and then drag this down to this reference plane, lock and down, lock. Oh, so now let's go back to here. So sorry, I'll change the thickness to maybe 10. Yeah. So and H1 maybe 100, H2 maybe 100 as well. Maybe maybe a little bit more. 150, 150, yeah, something like that. 45. Yep, that's it. So, and also select all these extrusions, and then just create another material parameter. I'll call it base material. Type is fine. Okay and okay. So now we have this column with a base. So let's have a look. Let's create a project and then have a look. Then load this into the project, and then so you can place some column there. So let me change. See, let me change this to from ground floor to maybe 3 meter high from 0. Let's have a look. Go to elevation. Yeah. So let's go to 4 meter, and if this go up 200. So that's it. It's quite a simple one. So yeah. If you have any question, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.